Yo, what is up, everybody? BVF Collection back at it again with another unboxing. You already know it is a box, so it is an unboxing. Look at this box. It's like beat up. It's acoustic. It's slightly tilted. It's been through it. It's been through the depths. In this package, we got ourselves another crazy release from the X Drop. We got ourselves a brown work jacket. We got ourselves an outline kill hoodie, and we got ourselves the 17 black and white motion logo hat. Without further ado, let's get into it. Ooh, very smooth, very easy to open. Nice, you guys aren't gonna have to hear like crazy. All right, gotta close the coin claw. Shouts out coin claw. Here we go. Let's see if they're already open. They might be open already. No, they're not. Oh my gosh. This looks like the outline. Let's see, outline. Yup, outline, baby. Extra large. Go ahead and plop that over there. Here it is. The brown work jacket. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Holy crap, that is amazing. Also, extra large. And then lastly, we got ourselves the belay hat. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this real quick. Get ourselves the receipt. You already know the vibes. Let's go ahead and move that to the side. You already know. Let's get these pieces in front, up front and center. All right. You guys know the vibes. Gotta take some dead stock pictures, and then we will be right back. And we are back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the video. So you know how it goes. We got 3 items here. We got to open them up, but we're going to just go from least heat to most heat, all right? So let's go ahead and do the 17 hat. Fun little fact about this hat right here, the OG version, which I own and have posted on my Instagram, if you guys haven't already seen, is screen print, right? Whereas these are fully embroidery. But what's different about this particular white and black one is that they did not have the 17 on the back. So it's very nice to know that they got 17 on this new version. So let's go ahead and open it up. Check out the inside tag and the inside seams and whatnot. Let's get rid of this. We don't need this no more. We're gonna be wearing our pieces, you know what I'm saying, guys? So here's a tag, new tags. I like them, they're cool. And then you got "Revenge is in the Creator's Hands" written all around this thing. And on the back, unfortunately, I don't really care for these too much, but we got the Velcro strap instead of like a belt buckle. But yeah, we got everything fully embroidered. Yeah, very clean, very nice. Very happy with this. Glad I purchased it. This was actually the first hat of the 3 to sell out. The blue version and the red version sat until the website basically ended up like selling out, you know what I mean? But yeah, this one sold out first, so I was glad to have gotten it. No pre-order on that. Unlike this hoodie right here, the Outline Kill, which had a pre-order, but I'm extremely happy to have gotten it. It's just the normal version, not a pre-order version. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into it. I'm very excited for this one. Here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Here we go. Here's the bag. You already know. I'm gonna set these bags to the side. Yes, sir. So far, oh my gosh. Very puffy compared to the OG outlines I have, which obviously are, you know, old and beat and whatnot. No meta eyelets. But let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Give it some fresh air. Ooh, look at this thing, dude. Oh my gosh. I'm in love. I'm in love. This thing is freaking awesome. Oh, look at that sleeve text. Oh my gosh. Hold on, let me show you guys this. So this is puff print. Unlike the last video where it was the purple mugshot that I had was not puff print. This is all puff. Very clean. Very cool. Check out the outline itself. Very puffy. You can see the puff. It's very nice. Go ahead and check out the inside tag real quick. Los Angeles. 100% cotton. Okay. Wait, made in Vietnam though. On the French Terry new blanks. Very cool. Let's go ahead and check out the size tag for the one time, and then we'll check out, you already know, the main attraction, the kill hand. We got the Revenge tag, extra large, no dash. But here we go, ladies and gentlemen. The kill hand. Are you ready? I know I am. Let's do this. Behold. The kill hand. Wow. Oh, okay. Something's cool worth noting. This is the detailed version of the kill hand. The purple mugshot was not as detailed as this. This is nice. Very clean. Looks like it's going to hold up very well as well. Jeez, this thing's beautiful. I love it. I love it so much. Very worth. Very worth. Okay, off to the final piece, baby. All right, we are back, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry for the technical difficulties. Now, finally, the main attraction, the brown work jacket. Very rare. Let's do this thing. Time to open it. Come on. So, a little fun fact before I take that out completely. This is not mine. Okay, I bought this for my homie, Scuba Steve, which I'm gonna pan over to right now. Scuba Steve, say what's up.
Saw, dude.
Yeah,
Nice to meet you.
Yep. You already know. So, this is his, not mine. So I just gotta get this footage before he's gone, because he's leaving the state of where we're at, basically. It's not really a secret, but yeah. Here we go. The brown work jacket. Oh my God. Oh my God, this thing is crazy looking, dude. Oh my God, the kill hand zipper. The tags, okay. Move the bag around. And now to open it up. Oh, it feels great. Oh my God, this thing is sick. Holy guacamole. Okay, so check out these buttons. They got little R's on it. And does it say anything? I can't tell if it says anything. Then we got ourselves the embroidered sleeve text, Revenges in the Creator's Hands. You already know. You got the kill hand zipper. You already know. And here we go. The main attraction, the embroidered kill hand. Okay. Wait, before we do that. Sorry. Gotta have, oh, this is what it looks like underneath the kill hand zipper. Just flat, very nice. We're gonna go ahead and unzip this. Give me a second, guys. There you go, just needed to start it. Gotta check out the inside. Oh, very nice quality. This is a steep retail price of $188, basically 200 bucks for it. Come on, unzip. Here we go, checking out the inside. Ooh, that looks like quality. If I've ever seen it. Holy crap. Oh, that's big. Inside pocket. We got an inside pocket, ladies and gentlemen. Confirmed inside pocket on the left side of the zipper, or of the inside. But now, for the main attraction, the embroidered black kill hand, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Wait, hold on, wait. Okay, this is the tag on them. Okay, this is very important, had to see. No way, this is the only way you can tell what size this is from that right there. Since there's no tag up here, that's the only way to tell. Okay, interesting, good to know. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for the black embroidered kill hand. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm so jealous of this one. Oh my God, look at that thing in all of its glory, the embroidered kill hand. Of course, it's like, it might look a little weird to you guys since, you know, we're all used to a puff print kill hand. So having this waviness kind of makes it look kind of weird. But to me, I think it looks amazing, especially when you're from afar. I think it looks beautiful. Oh my gosh. Wow. Let me check for loose threads. Maybe right there. I don't know what that is. Nope, not a loose thread. You know what? I gotta hand it to Revenge. Great quality control. Very good. All right, well, without further ado, that about wraps this freaking unboxing up. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been bvfcollection, signing off.